Episode 30, Spicy Korean Pork Belly. Oh, hello there. Today, we're going to try something new. Like, actually most days, but you don't know that. Start by grabbing a slab of pork belly, about 2 pounds, and give it some thick slices. Now we're going to grab some garlic, 6 cloves at least. Chop the hell out of them. Get them in a bowl. To that we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sake, or any good white wine, and 2 tablespoons of mirin. Finally, our main ingredient, the star of the show, 1 cup of gochujang. If you haven't used this, please start using it. It's so good. It's like a spicy chili paste, like legitimately. And I got a garlic flavored one because, well, I mean, that's all that was in stock, but it's still very tasty. So mix it all up. Toss in your sliced pork belly. Mix them. And then we're going to chop up 1 large onion. 2 long, thin boys. Just place them on top of the pork, but don't mix it. Now we cover fridge until tomorrow. Next day, mix it up. Get your pan very hot. Slap that pork belly in, some of the onions, and don't move them so they can crisp up. After a few minutes, flip them so we get some delicious charring on top. And bam, just like that, you're ready for some really tasty pork. So, you know when you go to a Chinese food place, you get the order of boneless pork ribs, and they're just okay. Like, you want them to be more? This is what you want every time. This, right here, you're looking at it. It's so good. The flavor is fantastic. If you don't like pork belly, sub it out. Do some steak. I made it with chicken. While not as good, still tasty. I threw in some broccoli on top of rice. It came out great. The marinade is phenomenal. And a crispy pork belly, delicious. And yeah, I threw green onions on it because I had extra, okay? But great lunch, mostly greater snack. Eat it cold. It's so good. It's really simple. Unfortunately, the Rice Mountain didn't cooperate, but it was just mad that it wasn't the star of the show. That pork boy, #1, hot damn delish. Well, that's the end of this episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you real soon. Recipe will be linked in the description. Support the channel.